We're trying to figure out what is the hundreds digits of the number of the integer x. So look at clue 1. X is rounded to nearest hundreds is 5100. Okay, so let's take the number 5099 that has a 0 in the hundreds digit, but when you round that to the nearest hundredths, that's going to give you 5100. But what if you have the number 5101 and you round to the nearest hundred? That will still give you that will give you 5100. But here the hundreds digit is a 1. Over here it was a 0. So there's different scenarios. So clue 1 does not work independently. Look at clue 2. 100x equals 512,300. So dividing by 100 is going to move that decimal place over 2 places. 5, 1, 2, 3. That's all that does. Nothing else is going to change. The 100s digit is always going to be 1. That works. We can answer the question. The answer is B.